Hey everyone, this is Akash. I'm a UI UX designer. I will teach you how to use this iPhone X UI kit and how to make a simple login screen in just few minutes. So let us start. First, I will go to this background. I will choose this input. I will use this button. Now I will take a label and write it here. I will write here create account and mark it underlined. I will increase the font to 16 or maybe 18. Now I will choose a logo, a simple one. That's it. It's done. So as you can see how easy it is to make a simple login screen with using iPhone X UI kit. You can download from the below link and see you later.